Hello, very good evening, students. Welcome to Resultant. So, after a long time, our team, mechanical team, is in front of you. Some faculties are busy with the classes, so might be they won't be able to join. But yes, me, Dheeraj sir, and our entire team is there to help you out. Now, today's session is basically for all the students, those who are planning for GATE 2025, and definitely there are a lot many confusions because what happens in the journey of preparation, you have lot many doubts, lot many questions unanswered. So for that only we are in front of you, and along with that one huge surprise we're gonna reveal with you. But before that, I want you to do let me know whether my audio and video all good, and do share this video to all of your friends, because we are going to give you a very important information for all the GATE 2025 aspirants. Dheeraj sir, so what's special, sir? Anything?
Yes, so sir, actually, from last few days, as in the September, that gate forms are out. So from that, like students are becoming in the active mode, and it always
Yes.
happens. Like when until that exam notification is not coming, students are like chill mode. Now
uh,
they are entering into the like tension mode. Ki now we have to start. They are in active mode now. So what they are doing, they are now trying to do the previous year question, the new type of question or the test series. So they are finding a lot of difficulties. So many students have specifically messaged me, sir, we have covered this much syllabus. We are good in concept, but we are not able to solve good numericals all the times. And some students are also facing difficulty, like they are saying, sir, we are knowing the concept, but when we are doing numerical, we are making the mistakes, and a lot of mistakes we are making. So what should we do? So obviously we answer them that they have to practice more. Then they search for the good practice materials in the market. And as like for IIT JEE, there were a lot of publications were available. So for GATE, that kind of possibility is not there. Even if you will see a lot of mistakes are there. So this kind of difficulty students are raising again and again. So
yes.
guys, just we have tried to give you a solution for that. And that is why that is going to be the today's like announcement also. So Surya sir, what do you feel? What when we are talking about the practice, what practice plays the role in the gate preparation?
It's a very, I can say, the most important role. Many students, what they do, they try to focus on syllabus completion. Yes, that is important, but along with the syllabus completion, you need to practice questions which is of the same level as the examination. What happens, sir? What happens, sir? Many students, what they do, they try to solve some question, very easy question, which is not of the gate level. And they say, sir, I'm not able to get the score. The reason being, when you're practicing for or you're preparing for any competitive exam, you need to match with the same wavelength as of the same competition. Because what happens, syllabus completion, concept clarity, how much you are able to understood the concept, that you will be able to only understand when you solve the question which is of the same level as of the examination. And GATE examination is not checking your formula revision, it is checking how you are able to apply the formula, how you are able to understand the concept. Formula will be a secondary part, but yes, concept clarity along with the application of the concept is very important, and for that only practice is the only way to check your preparation. Because just revising the topic won't be helping you out. Along with the revision, you need to practice, and that to good level of question. And I think that is a very important, we can say, approach towards cracking any examination. That could be GATE or ESE, anything. You need to practice a lot, and definitely you have to practice same as that of the level of the exam, sir.
So guys, this was the basically issues what students were facing. So guys, keeping that into mind as students are facing this difficulty, we are coming up with a like you can say this is a batch from where we started actually in online platform, like in grade up when we were there previously. So the very first batch we have come up with that was Rankup. So guys, we are once again come up with the same, like you can say, like history is going to be repeated again, and we come up with the Rankup batch. And you know, Rankup batch, as the name suggests, it is going to improve your rank. So guys, when we are talking about Rankup, now the questions are coming from the student side. Okay, sir, first of all, like what is the concept of Rankup batch? Second thing, it is going to be helpful for which type of student? Because every batch is not good for everyone. You know? Like there are some crash courses, there are some Rankup batch. So what is the difference between them? And you may also be thinking, what are the offerings of that batch? So guys, this session is for that only. Now, Suraj sir will be starting the PPT. There we will be
Yes,
telling you one by one what is the concept of Rankup batch, who should join it, and what are going to be our offerings.
sir.
Sure, Jadu Roy, we will be providing that. So guys, you can see this is about the mechanical team. If you have any doubt, support number are available of mine as well as resultants number. You can contact us if you have any query. So you can see this is our team, you know that. And you know classes are going on from all of us. Let us move further, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, this is about the Rankup batch, but we will see first of all, like what is the concept of Rankup batch in the next slide. Then we will tell about the offerings. So guys, first of all, whenever we are talking about, so next slide, please.
Yes, sir.
So whenever we are talking, one more next, sir.
Hmm.
First of all, what are the problems we are having from the student side? So problem faced by the student, the very first problem what students are sharing with us, ki they know the concept very nicely, but they are unable to solve the numericals. Okay. Second problem what students are looking for, like various tricks and tips, like tricks and techniques for the solving a numerical. Sometimes some difficult numericals are coming, typical numericals are coming. So how to see, like after watching at the numerical, how to know which formula to be used? They are confused in that. Third is very majority of the students have wrong priorities. Like whenever they were studying, even in the 11th, 12th class, now also they are having good commands over the like class, whatever is going on, they are listening to that properly. But whenever question part comes, they leave the class. They thinking ki question we will be doing later on. So that is the wrong priorities of there. Now, when we talk about GATE exam, it is 70% or more than that is numerical. So if you are running from the numerical, you cannot top in the GATE exam. However, you can say you are very good in concept, but if you are not going to do practice, if you are not going to have good numerical abilities, then my dear, definitely you cannot have you cannot have a good rank in the GATE examination. So that is why it is required. So that is these are the problem faced by the student. Now we are coming up for the solution. And for solution, obviously this solution cannot be for everyone. Now the questions are coming that who should go for the Rankup batch. Obviously, like when we are talking about the Rankup batch, why I have written pass out, it does not mean if you are in like final year you cannot attend. If you are in third year you can. But pass out student I have written because here my target is to say you have a lot of time. Like if you are pass out and you are attending the coaching at any place, obviously 1 2 classes you are already attending. So other than that, if you have time, then only that batch will be useful for you. Because for any batch, you have to attend the class, you have to solve the question. So that is the first point. Okay. Second point, when we say already completed more than 50-70% of the syllabus, what do you mean by that? So if already 4 5 subjects are over, then only you will go for the problem practice of theirs. Otherwise, what do you mean by problem practice? Because this is advanced kind of thing. If your basics are not clear, how advanced you can go for? Sir, will you elaborate next 3 points?
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, if I talk about many students, what they do, they try to understand the concept, but the application part is they are lagging behind. And definitely, GATE is all about numerical oriented approach. Theory is very, very less. Majority, or we can say more than 75 to 80%, you'll be able to see numerical oriented. And that is the reason the rank up is very important for those students, those who want to improve their numerical solving ability. Because in GATE examination, numerical solving ability or how you are able to apply the concept in form of numerical, that is very, very important. Only studying the concept, not solving the question, will be backfiring you, because in the day of exam, if you're not able to understand what they're asking and what is the language of problem, you won't be able to score. Because at the end of the day, you have to score with good marks. And the next, we are providing this rank of for those students, those who have been consistently working on self-study. They have not opted for any platform, but at the end, we can say this is a booster for you. Because whatever you have studied, whether you have studied to that same level as of GATE, whether that is going in the right direction, still you are having time, because September mid is we have approached. So we are having only less than 3.5 months or 4 months left out for the examination. So for that, you need to have a proper or exam oriented approach. So for the self students, definitely this will be acting as a pivotal role for the preparation. And the last one, the fresher. Let us suppose there are some students in the third year. Let us suppose they want to give GATE examination. They want to have that insight how the level of GATE examination there. For that also we can go with this, because in less time we'll be able to cover more concepts, more problems. It will be exactly exam oriented approach for the examination. So definitely fresher with basic knowledge, you can opt for this rank up gig. So next one, if I say what are the offerings, so Dheeraj sir.
So guys, here we are going to have like here 250 plus hours are written. But whenever I am saying 250 plus, actually, we are going to provide two things. One is practice sessions would be there for complete technical subjects as well as for maths and aptitude. Along with that, we are also providing you the mathematics and aptitude complete course along with that, because maths and aptitude are very scoring, and you know that 28 marks, like 28% is straight away maths and aptitude. So that is why, guys, along with this 250 hours of practice of complete subjects, we are also going to provide these 120 hours of live classes of complete maths and aptitude as we are having in the full batch. So 250 hours practice plus this aptitude mathematics complete classes will be there. So that here we should not have any compromise of marks, because 28 marks straight away you are going to get. Then, my dear, workbooks we are going to have already, where more than 3,000 questions are there. They are other than gate questions. Okay, in this workbook they are solved numericals. And when we talk about PYQs, we are also providing you the PDF of PYQ previous year question. So workbook and PYQ PDFs will be there, and test series with 165 total tests. Like if you give one test per day, then also you will not be able to complete it. You have to give more than that. So that was number of tests we are providing. In that, some full length tests are also there. Some previous year paper in the form of form of tests are also available. So guys, then we are also going to provide you the practice set based on the topic, whatever is going on. And that practice set will also be having some good questions which are other than the previous year questions. So these are going to be the offerings of the Rankup batch. Okay. So guys, now the point is, whenever you are going to make the decision, you should see whether you are going to be in that category that you require that. So dear, it is like it is required only once basic things you are doing. Okay. If you have not done with the concept, you have not started even gate preparation, then obviously Rankup is not for you. Rankup is for those students who have started the preparation. They are running with good pace, but they are just lagging in numericals. So it is going to be a totally practice course where we will be just going with the good level of questions, nothing more than that. Okay. But there will be very good question. They will be rank booster type. Like if you are going to get some X rank, obviously we are going to make you much better than that, because here we will be improving the thing which is required for the exam. So guys, that is the offerings. So you can see, guys, and you can also check out the courses in the app. If you are looking for full length courses, they are also available on our app, that is Resultant Mechanical app. There you can go for like target for 2026 batch and vision batch for 2025. Okay, all these things are available. So guys, just download the Resultant Mechanical app and unlock your gate potential with us. Okay. If you have any other query, you can directly connect with me, and support number is also mentioned. So choice is yours. You can go for directly. Sir, if possible, start for ESCGS. TPM. ESCGS part will also be starting at the end of September. Okay, that also we are going to start. So don't worry about that. That will also come. Okay, but right now this session is to announce about the Rankup batch. And here all the questions you will see will be other than the PYQs, and you are going to get a good clarity about the tips and tricks as well. Okay. So don't forget to join if you want, and just download the app. And goodbye, and stay tuned for this particular session.
Exactly. So thank you guys, and I hope you got an insight. But make sure you all are downloading the app, because every single information is there on the app. That is the Resultant Mechanical app. Do go to the Play Store, download it, and enjoy the sessions. And Rank Up is for the score booster, and this is the last, we can say, uh, uh, effect that which we're gonna give to the students. Okay, so this is the very important information which we have announced for all the students. The Rank Up batch has been launched because we started from this. Now, definitely, this is going to help you in your GATE 2025
Sir,
preparation.
a doubt is there, Srijan. Actually, for theory plus numerical, we already have vision batch, and rank up is only for practice. And soon we will be coming up for some crash course where we will be going to do in the short term, like 2 to 2.5 months, we will complete the course. You know? So that crash course type of thing will also be coming in the next month. But for the timing, this is related to only practice. If you are looking for a rank booster, this is for that. Okay. So here we will be covering good level of numericals. Okay. Good level means
Uh,
gate level also basic to advanced. It is not like we will do only difficult question. We will go for basic to moderate to advanced. Whatever gate is asking, same level, slightly better level as well. That is
exactly.
going to be the case.
But for maths and aptitude, we'll be having
Maths aptitude
complete
will be
classes.
complete theory plus numerical, whatever is there, that will be there. Okay. For others, technical subject, we will be having practice. Okay. Theory part we are covering in the vision batch. Then you can opt for vision batch. And if you want a short-term batch, 2-3 months time, that will be coming in the next month, like October, you will be having crash course. Okay.
Exactly. So if you are any doubt, please do ask, or if you are seeing in the recorded, you can do post your doubts in the comment section. Our me or Dheeraj sir or backend team will be helping you out in the best possible way. So I think that's it, sir. And it's very important. See, if you are a serious aspirant, you should definitely check out this Rankup badge. It's a score booster because previously also we are providing ranks through this Rankup. Definitely, this is adding, we can say, a catalyst to your preparation only. So let's hope you will be soon meeting on this live classes of Rankup. Okay, sir. Fine. So if you have any doubt, do send us the doubt in the comment section, or you can do drop us a mail also in our resultant mail ID.
Yes. Okay, guys. Goodbye.
Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Thank you.